we are looking at how to pronounce this word as well as how to say more confusing vocabulary that too many mispronounce in English, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel if you like learning about correct pronunciations. So, in British English, because the American pronunciation is different, this is said as automation or automation, stress on the third may syllable. Automation in American English, however, this is generally pronounced as automation, automation in American English or automation in British English. And now you know. Like this video if you found it useful. Thanks for your support. Subscribe if you want to learn more about correct pronunciations and more videos for you to learn more confusing vocabulary. Thanks for your support and thanks for watching.